nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silent.
All the words I said were wrong. They don't mean nothing to you. All we want to do is touch, and there's nothing better. What the hell on beds for me? They were waiting for you, ways to waste and find the time. It's all by your side. You got it.